Hazrat Imran bin Hussain radiyallahu anhu report, I fastened my she-camel to the door and visited the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, whereas some people of Banu Tamim also came there. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, O Banu Tamim, receive the glad tidings. They replied, twice you have given us the glad tidings, so now grant us something. Some people of Yemen visited the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, O the people of Yemen, receive the glad tidings, since Banu Tamim has not accepted it. They submitted, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, we have accepted it. Thereafter they submitted, we have come to you to acquire knowledge of this religion from you. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, there was Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, and there was nothing saves him, and his throne was upon the water, and he Jalla Jalaluhu had inscribed everything on the guarded tablet and created the heavens and the earth. And that point a caller called, O Hussein, your she-camel has fled away. I therefore went out to find her gone across the mirage. So by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu I wished I had left them. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 3191.